What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now I know it's been a little minute, since I posted a full-blown video, going on almost 2 weeks. But listen, work been real busy recently, and also life as well. But I'm back and better than ever, man. So I'm be back with more consistent content for y'all. Constantly keep the videos rolling. Make sure I get this heat out for y'all, man. And with that being said, got some more heat for y'all today, man. For me personally, it's heat. I don't know about for y'all, but I know for me, I'm a fan of this sneaker. Now, when I first seen it, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it. But then I got it in my hand, and it changed my whole perspective on this shoe. So, man, sit back, relax, and enjoy my unboxing video of the Air Jordan 1 Starfish. Alright, y'all, you see the box. You see how we coming with this box, man. All red box with the black Nike all around, all the sides, the upper, the top, everywhere in the box pretty much. Now, this is a women's exclusive shoe. So the biggest size it goes to, if y'all can see that, is a woman's 12. So for those of you who wear, like a woman's 13, 14, so on and so on, sorry to say, but you out of luck. There is no extended sizes for this sneaker. Just the woman's 12 is the biggest size, which is equivalent to a men's 10.5. So if you wear a men's 10.5, hey, you in luck. You know what I'm saying? You can get these shoes. So, but enough about the box, enough about the sizing on the shoe. Let's get into what's inside this box, man. Now, like I said, when I seen pictures, I was like, whatever. But then I got it in my hand, and man, this shoe right here, definitely a top tier sneaker, man. Like the leather quality, the colors, the way the colors blend so well in this shoe. They definitely did their thing with this Jordan 1 right here, man. Like this is one of them ones. I ain't gonna lie to you. Definitely one of them ones in this sneaker right here. As y'all can see, man, like if y'all seen the leather quality up close in this shoe, y'all see what I'm talking about, man. Like even the swoosh. Let me get y'all a better look at this swoosh right here. Nice tumbled leather on this swoosh. Real soft swoosh as well, man. My favorite thing about this sneaker, man, is these colors. This like orange and like brown and cream together. It's like a perfect combination of colors, man. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm a big fan of this sneaker, man. Probably one of my favorite Jordan 1 releases this year. And of course, y'all know my favorite one release is so far this year. Y'all seen the shoe multiple times on this channel already. But this is definitely up there. I would say out of all the ones that came out this year, maybe top 3. Of course, I got the Taxis. Well, that's not number 1. My number 1 is the Lost and Founds, then the Taxis, and then I'm gonna go with these. You know what I'm saying? I'm a major fan of this sneaker, man. Like real big fan of these sneakers, man. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I like this neutral, this earth tone type of color they got going with this, man. Like not too much and just it's like just enough of like all the right colors. And they put all the colors in the right areas. You know how sometimes when Jordan 1s come out, they be putting they'll have this brown or something like that and had the rest of it. It'd be like, something crazy going on. But they did everything right with this sneaker in my opinion as far as the colors go. And oh, y'all didn't even mention this tongue they get. It's like a cream tongue, like an off-white sail kind of tongue with like the orange Nike Air, of course, all over the upper of the tongue, the Nike Air and the swoosh and everything, all orange. So another dope concept in my opinion, another dope addition to this sneaker. And on the other shoe, you have what you got, like this brown hang, Jordan Jumpman hang tag thing, whatever you want to call this thing, with the little basketball on the back of it. It's like a nice little dope touch. I guess it, kind of adds to the fact why it's a woman's exclusive, but this is stuff that you would see on a purse or something like that. But it also has the orange Nike Air hang tag with the brown swoosh on it. Another dope touch in my opinion. Of course you gotta have a hang tag on certain Jordans, and I feel like this is a good touch to this shoe. Me personally, if I rock it, this is definitely coming off, and so is this. Both of these coming off. So I don't do all the extra stuff in my shoes, if y'all know that by now. But another thing that I do like that it comes with is extra laces. Now, you know, recently a lot of Jordan 1s, they've been coming like these brown boxes with the extra laces. Yeah, I can see that. I don't know why they started doing this recently with these brown boxes, but it comes with some extra white laces, which I don't know, I think this might look good with white laces in there. Y'all let me know if y'all get these and y'all putting the white laces in, or y'all keeping the oranges in. Me personally, I think if I do rock these, I would keep the oranges in for a while instead of putting the white ones in, because I think the orange makes it, you know, it just makes it pop. But at the same time, white might make it pop as well. And also, I almost forgot to add, these do come pre-laced. I didn't lace these up already. This is how they came, straight from sneakers. So if y'all, you know, wondering why the shoes are already laced up, this is how I got them, straight in from sneakers, straight from, you know, the Nike warehouse, straight from all that. Like, this ain't nothing I did. This ain't none of my doing. This is all Nike's doing. So I guess it's pre-laced up like that because of this little basketball like purse hang tag thing on it, whatever this, what you want to call this thing. Probably why it's already pre-laced like that, so this can, you know, hang on the shoe like easily without having to put it in some random spot in the shoe. But once again, man, real dope shoe in my opinion. One of my favorite releases this year. Leather quality is definitely top tier. It's some crazy leather in my opinion. Almost up there with the Taxis, you know, this year. And another one of the releases I said was my favorite release. The leather is almost like, I would say like right by the Taxis, like, which is how soft it is, man. Like, I was actually shocked when I felt these in the hand. I'm like, okay, they actually did a little something with this leather quality. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the toe box that way. You probably can't really see how soft it is. Sometimes, you know, you can see by the press, but the press is like real soft to the touch, man. Like, overall, in my opinion, one of the best Jordan 1s to release this year, color wise and detail wise, material wise as well. Well, I don't know, you know, you might have a different opinion than me. You know, we all have different opinions, but for me personally, this is one of my, you know, favorite Jordan 1s to release this year. But y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about these. If y'all picked them up, if y'all plan on picking them up, you know, this is definitely a dope fall shoe to have, you know, put on with your nice little fall colors. Even though you can be worn all year round, but definitely the fall time would definitely make this sneaker pop a lot more with just the fall backdrops. If you want to take pictures with these, you know what I'm saying, the different colors of the leaves and everything like that. You know, I like aesthetics, you know what I'm saying? I'm all about an aesthetic. And fall, hey, this is your fall shoe. But once again, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, always tuning into my channel, man, getting my views up, getting my subscribers up, man, getting me to where this channel can go. You know, it can go as far with this channel, so I'm trying to keep, you know, putting as much consistent content as I can for y'all. I'm gonna have some daily vlogs coming pretty soon, man, get some more content out for y'all. But with that being said, man, make sure y'all smashing that like button, smashing that subscribe button, man, telling a friend to tell a friend, and turn the notification bell on, man, so you don't miss a drop. When I do drop, man, try to make sure I get at least one video a week, if not more, because trust me, I got content for y'all, so I'm gonna keep it constantly rolling. And as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.